In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Zoom using the web portal. This is a straightforward process you can complete in just a few moments, ensuring that your Zoom service continues without any interruptions. Whether you're looking to update your billing information for personal or business reasons, this guide will help you do just that. First, you'll need to sign in to the Zoom web portal. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser, navigating to the Zoom website, and entering your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by the Zoom dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your Zoom account. Now, let's direct our attention to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Depending on how your portal is structured, you'll follow one of two paths. You may need to go to Plans and Billing and then click on Billing Management. Alternatively, if your portal is differently organized, look for Account Management and then proceed to Billing. Either of these paths will guide you to the section where you can manage your payment settings. Once you arrive at the Billing section, scroll until you see the Payment Method area. This is where you can view your current payment setup and make any necessary changes. Next to your existing payment method, you should see an option to either change payment or a small edit button. Click on the appropriate link, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can select and set up your new payment method. Here, you'll find various options available to you depending on your location and service eligibility. Options typically include credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, among others. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. After selecting your preferred method, you'll need to enter the necessary details. For instance, if you opt for a credit or debit card, be ready to provide the card number, expiration date, and billing address. Double-check all the information you enter to ensure accuracy. This helps in avoiding any issues during future billing cycles. Once you've entered all the required information, look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will save your new payment details and apply the changes to your account. This step marks the completion of the update process, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your payment method on Zoom via the web portal. Keeping your payment information current is crucial for uninterrupted service, so make sure to update it whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.